one more question that I was hoping to fit into this webinar. Ignacio, please give us like an outlook for what's what the scenario for both the Chilean and the Canadian coastal salmon farming industries. What do you expect in terms of M&A and consolidation in those sectors? I mean, clearly Eastern Canada is one of the big growth areas, and then we look at the West Coast, British Columbia, and we see this strange phasing out of salmon farming in certain areas. What's your take on that?
I think that I would go back to my forward-looking, philosophy here is, why would you put your, factors of production in the difficult places when you can put them, right next to New York to be extreme, right? What it is easier to move fresh fish or to move people and knowledge and then just produce where you can. So, yeah, I mean, to a certain degree, there is a traditional model. It's going to be there, but I think that you have to be forward-looking and decide, do I want to invest, in the gas power model, or do I want to invest in the solar power model? And I think that if I were, somebody with capital, I would look for, the most experienced people, and I would move the people and produce the fish, in the closest place to where it's going to be consumed. And eventually, I think that, with size and knowledge, the cost gets there. And again, if I were one of the large players, I'm very, very surprised that they are not the ones really investing into the future, as opposed to continue to buy very expensive licenses, at sea, investing in the past. Like was said here in the seminar. I mean, they do have the knowledge for land-based, but they continue to invest in the old model. So right. Again, I think there may be some consolidation of the smaller players, but if I were a large player, I would be looking to invest into the next wave here, to have my foot there. I mean, first of all, to get ahead of the curve, to learn, and to be able to apply also their own knowledge of land-based production. But something, again, more important, and I revert to this topic, they have already established a channel to the market. They know how to sell fish. They know how to make money selling fish. They know how to process it. They have the clients. And at a point in time, you're going to have a lot of producers. And the question is here, how do, like Magnús was saying, you need to continue to expand this market. So that's a little bit my view. I mean, production is interesting, but the factors of production and what's important here is going to change.
What do you do if you're a Chilean CEO right now and you're looking at this and you're thinking, oh my God, you've got like huge new production facilities appearing in America. That's your market, right?
I take 25 or $50 million and then invest in 2 or 3 of these and try to get ahead with a winner.
Right.
Goldman is saying that Tesla is going to $1,000.